Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check for app updates on your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So the first way, I'll tell you three ways in this video. The first way is to simply head over to the App Store, and then for example I want to update a specific application. I'll simply search for example, let's say Instagram, and I'll tap on it, and basically if it says update, I'll simply tap on update, and if it says open, my Instagram application is currently updated to the latest version. The second thing you can do is to tap on your profile on the top right, and then refresh this page, and you'll be able to find some applications that need to be updated, and you can easily tap on update all, and all of those applications will be updated. I have updated those applications recently. You can see these applications have been updated today. So the third thing you can do is to go to the settings, and if you're facing glitches and bugs in some applications, you can simply tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. Now for example, I am facing glitches and bugs in Instagram application. I'll simply head over to Instagram, then tap on offload app and then reinstall it. Basically it will remove all the glitch files and it will update your app to the latest version. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, let